Forgotten username recovery failed on thinkorswim mobile app fix. If you've tried recovering your thinkorswim mobile app username and nothing worked, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by skipping crucial verification steps or entering outdated email addresses. The surprising truth is that with a few careful actions, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the thinkorswim mobile app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email link to your account. thinkorswim will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and multiple requests in a short time can temporarily lock your account. Patience here is essential. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather all verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact thinkorswim support directly and provide these details. Including linked bank accounts or brokerage details can speed up verification and restore access faster. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, save it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection and helps prevent future login issues. Following these steps carefully ensures you regain access efficiently and maintain account security. Remember, proper verification and credential management are key to keeping your investment safe.